Hi there, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use my gua sha. Now the proper way to say it is actually gua sa, but everyone says gua sha, so I'll just refer to it as gua sha. It goes back thousands of years and it was originally invented to help with chronic pain and inflammation. They would use it on the body and scrape very hard. Thousands of years. They used to even use bones or porcelain to do the technique. And today, I designed mine as a rose quartz tool because rose quartz has the most beautiful love energy and it's self-esteem boosting, self-love. And I wanted to design my own. I didn't want my gua sha to look like all the others out there. So I designed it to mimic my knuckles because I have a particular facial massage where I use my knuckles. And then I did the edge with a smaller area so we can get smaller areas of your face. My favorite time to use it is in the morning. And I love to use it to calm inflammation. What I'll do is I'll put it in a little cup of ice and water for about 3 minutes to make it extra cold. And that's a big wake me up. It's going to help, obviously, wake me up. It's also going to lend itself to brightening, stimulating all the blood flow, and it's going to work even better because I want it to be extra cold to help with the puffiness and the dark circles. Now the rose quartz stays cold on its own naturally, but when I put it in ice, it's extra cold, so it's even more effective. You always want to start with a serum or an oil. I'm going to use my Daily Botanical Serum, which has 17 actives, and it's an absolutely beautiful formulation, very anti-aging with rosehip, frankincense, sea buckthorn, meadowfoam seed oil. And you just want to use a few drops and press it onto your skin. And now you grab it and it's extra cold because it has been in the ice. And what you have, your body kind of knows how to treat itself. Your heart is your cardiovascular system and it's pumping all the blood flow through your body. But your lymphatic system needs a little boost, a little help. And how you kind of stimulate and drain your lymph node and lymphatic system is either moving the muscle. So it's whether it's exercising, which helps with cellulite. With your face, we're going to use the gua sha to help to move and stimulate the muscle and to perform lymphatic drainage, which helps reduce the puffiness and the dark circles of the face and helps to sculpt it. So now that I have this serum on, I'm going to grab it and I'm going to start off with the back of my neck. I'm going to go up and down my spine because that instantly releases tension and I begin my ritual very relaxed. And that's part of the whole concept, is to feel good with the rose quartz and the tool. So you just want to go behind very easily. You want to just put it right over your spine, the smaller part of the gua sha, and go up and down. And you want to do a medium to firm pressure, up and down, just like this. And it feels amazing. Really releases a lot of tension in your neck. We carry so much tension in our neck. And just, just a few times. And that is kind of your introduction hello with the gua sha. And now we're going to move to our face. All right, so what I want to do, pretend it's in the morning and I just put my serum on. My face would have been completely clean, and then the serum. I'm going to start with the smaller edge. And I want to do a little sculpting because as we age, gravity starts to take place and pull here. My concern is my jawline, so I want to lift and sculpt this area here. So I'm going to use the smaller edge and I'm going to do 3 strokes, just like this. And you want to hold it as close to your face as possible. You don't want to be out like this. You want to try and get it to a 15-degree angle. It doesn't need to be perfect. And just so you know, you can learn as you go. It's not, I don't want it to be intimidating to use a gua sha. It's quite easy and you're not going to mess up. You're going to be fine as long as you follow the simple steps. The simple steps are going in one direction, one way, and if you're getting your face red with it, you're pressing too hard, and you need something under it with a slip, so a serum or an oil. And we're going to go 3 times this way, and we're going to go, and I'm going to hold this and kind of bring it this way. Just, get used to it. Get comfortable with holding it. And don't feel like you need to do it perfectly. You're learning. So I'm going to go back up and do it again. Three strokes, just like this. 3 strokes, 3 strokes. And you want to bring it out to your hairline. This feels really good. It releases tension all the way to the hairline. And you can even do a little lift, a brow lift. I want you to get right under your brow with the smaller end and do some light movements up, just like this. I'm just stimulating the muscle with the cold gua sha. And I'm holding it taut a little bit here so I can get underneath the brow to lightly go up. We also, see, you can actually see a lift. You can really sculpt and lift your face every day easily with a gua sha. And now we're gonna kind of just relax the muscles right here. I'm gonna go into the hairline. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Now this side I design like my knuckles. So now we're gonna do it a second time, and we're just gonna sculpt up these cheekbones. We'll do it about 5 times, 5 strokes, like this. And what you can do on the 5th stroke is bring it to your ear and then drain it below your ear, which is where your lymph node is. So all that fluid retention has a place to go. Just like that. You can also use the knuckle side and go down on your neck towards your heart. You want to put all the blood flow towards your heart. Sometimes you wake up because you're doing it in the morning at cold, and you may have kind of like some sleep lines here, which are no fun in your chest. You can just go back and forth, or you can go down. Kind of just iron out those little pesky lines. This also feels really relaxing. Another way to use it, you can use it for cellulite on your legs. The way this is here, like your knuckles, it's almost like a really strong knuckle massage for cellulite. So you can put this on the back of your legs. You can use oil, and then you can go ahead and do it a little firmer on your body. And that'll help to kind of just break up cellulite. So not only is it for your face, it's also for your body. And right now this feels really invigorated. You can also put it back, let it chill again, and then go and do your other side. Super easy, it takes like 5 minutes, and it's a really fun ritual to do in the morning when you wake up. So that is my gua sha, and I hope you have fun using it. And it's very, very easy. Do not be intimidated. Just do it. Just try it. You'll love it.